Are you someone who wondered, why do I need to change my diet if my great grandparents or grandparents were eating the same diet and was very healthy? Why suddenly I need to make this shift? If you are having this question, you are at the right space. Hello everyone, I am Kritika, an holistic wellness educator, and this question I've heard several times in my session. People do come with this notion and they repeatedly ask the same thing. Now, when I share with them and ask few questions, they get their answer themselves. I ask them, if you want to eat the same diet, are you willing to adopt the same lifestyle which your grandparents or great grandparents were doing? It's very difficult to get back to that lifestyle. Number one, what they were doing is they were eating local and seasonal, regional produce. They didn't have any resources, any possibility of transferring the things from far away. Neither the things were available every month, 12 months in a year. So they were just eating what was within 5 kilometers of their vicinity and grown there itself. So it was seasonal, local and regional food. The second thing, they didn't have any gadgets. We have washing machine, we have mixture grinder, we have every other gadget which makes lives easy for us. But all these tasks they were doing manually. From morning to night, their life was full of physical activities. And because of this many activities, their body was able to digest and assimilate and eliminate whatever that was not needed for their body, but we are not able to do. Third, they were connected to Mother Nature. They were having sunlight because their houses were open doors. They were getting fresh excess of oxygen. But hardly we do have today. We sit in an AC room, comfortable room, but sadly we don't have natural light which touch our body. We are not able to breathe in the fresh air which comes from the plants. And moreover, because of all this, we are not able to sweat also. Yes, sweat is also very important to eliminate out the toxins which are not happening these days, because we are sitting in an AC closed setup. The fourth thing was they were doing a periodic fasting. Yes, periodic fasting was helping them to detoxify. It was a time for them to heal, to remove the unwanted toxins and other accumulations from their body. Every week they used to fast 1 or 2 days, and when the seasons change, like currently the season is about to change to monsoon, so you will find a lot of festivals which require you to fast in the seasons. So they used to do all this kind of religious fast which help them to detoxify periodically and in some interval when there is a need to purify. But hardly we believe in all this fasting and other things, and we eat every day, 7 days in a week. And even so, if we fast now, we eat the whole day. The other day might be we are eating less, but on the fasting day we will have sabudana vada, sabudana khichdi and many other things, which is not exactly how we should fast. I have already made a video on fasting, do check it out. So because of this 4 primary reasons, we have to change our diet, which our parents or grandparents or great grandparents were not needed to do, because their food was holistic in these terms. Moreover, the life complexity was very less than we are having today. So it's a very high time that you reconsider your diet. Thank you. I hope this video gave you a lot of answers and reasons to why diet change is needed and why you should be conscious about it. See you next time. Do share your thoughts and comments. Bye bye. Stay healthy, stay blessed.